Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across a D3D compiler 47.dll error when you're trying to play various games or applications on your computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully go about resolving it without too much of a hassle. So this tutorial will apply for Windows 7 computers, so we're going to go jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up a web browser. Doesn't matter which one, but we're going to use Google Chrome in today's tutorial. And you want to paste in the URL I have in the description of the video, the Microsoft Update Catalog online. And you want to go select the respective download that correlates to your version of Windows. So most people that are on this video should be for Windows 7. So we're going to download that corresponding update. So select the download button. Click the hyperlink in here. Once it's done downloading, just go ahead and open it up. Should say preparing the installation. Should be a Windows Update standalone installer. So you guys have likely seen this at some point before. It's going to ask you want to install the following Windows software update. Select yes. It should say installation complete when it's done. Close out of here, restart your computer, and hopefully that'll be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.